While everyone else abandoned the two-stroke, Yamaha kept the faith. The 2027 YZ125 is here, and it's proof that this legendary motocross machine still has plenty to offer in today's four-stroke dominated world. Whether you're a young racer looking to sharpen your skills or a veteran rider who appreciates pure, unfiltered fun, this bike deserves your attention. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we're breaking down everything you need to know about the latest YZ125. Design. The 2027 YZ125 maintains Yamaha's championship-winning DNA with a sleek, race-focused design. The frame geometry has been refined for improved handling and stability through rough sections and big jumps. Weighing in at just around 205 pounds, this is one of the lightest bikes in its class, giving riders instant confidence and agility. The bodywork is narrow and allows easy movement, crucial for aggressive riding. Yamaha's signature blue plastics look sharp and professional, while the flatter seat and slimmer tank provide better control during intense racing situations. Performance. The heart of this machine is the liquid-cooled 124cc two-stroke engine that delivers explosive power in a screaming, addictive power band. It's peaky, it's responsive, and it rewards skilled throttle control. The engine's been fine-tuned for 2027 with updated porting that improves mid-range punch without losing that top-end rush. The 6-speed transmission gives riders flexibility across different track conditions. The fully adjustable KYB suspension soaks up whoops and landings beautifully, offering race-ready performance straight from the crate. Features and technology. Yamaha's focused on refinement rather than gimmicks. The clutch system features improved plates for better feel and durability during hard racing. The braking system delivers strong, predictable stopping power with excellent modulation. Updated mapping in the ignition system optimizes power delivery and improves throttle response throughout the rev range. Conclusion. The 2027 YZ125 is living proof that two-stroke magic is alive and well. It's lightweight, affordable, and an absolute blast to ride. Do you think two-strokes still have a place in modern motocross? Drop your opinion in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button and share it with your riding crew. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and hit the notification bell so you catch all our latest motocross coverage.